This conference will now be recorded.
Can anyone respond like whether you are able to hear me or not?
Yes, sir.
So complete sales process. So till now we have learned about sales order process. This is now complete sales process in Microsoft Dynamics AX. First one is prospect. So this prospect can be converted into opportunity. From opportunity, please write down, I think you have written already. Otherwise, if you have not written yesterday, please write down prospect and arrow mark like this. You can draw in your notebook. Prospect. From prospect, it will be opportunity. From opportunity, there will be sales quotation. Here create. Then sales quotation sent to the customers. Here it may be a customer or it may be a prospect. Unapproved customer. Okay, this is, you can use here creation and sent of the quotation. That actually like whatever you are selecting, that may be a customer or maybe a prospect. Means prospect means pre-approved customer. That means still this person or this company has not become a customer to me. So when they will become a customer, if they purchase their if I'm selling any item to this people or this company, then only it will become a customer. So before that, I can make it as prospect. Okay, then sales quotations confirm. So this confirmation should be a customer. Sales quotation, if you want to confirm sales quotation, prospect should be converted to a customer. Prospect should be converted to a customer. Then sales order will be created automatically. Sales order will be created automatically. Next, you know this one process already. Picking list registration, packing slip, customer invoice, and customer payment. This is complete sales process in Dynamics AX. This is complete sales process. So these two steps are finance. These two steps are finance. Remaining all are logistics. You need to write down like prospect, arrow mark, down arrow, opportunity, down arrow, sales quotation creation, down arrow, like this. This is complete sales process. Okay, here prospect means a raw data. Raw data means it is the information only. Here this prospect details may have so much. Example, I'm giving you example like this institute. Institute is sending so many SMSs to several people, and maybe they are sending this SMS institute maybe some 1,000 mobiles numbers, or maybe 1,500 in bulk emails they are sending. And now opportunity means you have responded to them. I would like to attend demo, that is opportunity. And then quotation means, sales quotation means negotiation between you and your you and the institute about fee. Then once it is confirmed, sales order will be created. Understood? Here prospect is just information. So prospect should be converted to a customer if you want to do a confirmation of sales quotation. If you want to do sales quotation confirmation, prospect should be converted to a customer. That means you have paid fee. That may be token amount or maybe some amount or full amount, whatever it may be, based on discussions between you and the institute. You have paid fee, then you are become a customer to the institute. Understood the steps, entire process? Any doubt here? So I hope it is clear. So let me show in the system.
So how to convert a prospect to a customer when the sales quotation is confirmed and before the sales order is created from the sales quotation itself?
Yeah, I will show you this entire process. Okay, and then we'll come back here if you have any doubts. So first what I will do, I will create a customer first. Sorry, prospect, I mean to say. Sales and marketing. Sales and marketing. Prospect. Let me verify. Yeah, here. So small correction. There are two steps. One is lead, another one is prospect. Both are same, but initially the name of the form is lead. From lead to lead will become a prospect. I will show you this one first. Let me correct here. This is lead. So I'm taking in this relationships leads. I'm taking all leads. So lead or prospect are same, but first it will be lead. So let me create a fresh one. Lead. So I'm creating lead as visual path, suppose. Okay. So here for washing machine. To sell washing machine, I am creating one lead as visual path. Okay, there are so much informative. So you can verify this informative. It is like only information purpose. Now this lead can be converted to opportunity. Here in this, you can directly convert it a customer or opportunity. I'm clicking opportunity. Then automatically opportunity was created. In this opportunity, I can map probability. This is a small master. The estimation. In the example, like students, how whether they are willing to join or not. 75%, 80%, 90%. I'm confident whoever is attending my demo session, they will join 90% people. If they want to learn, I'm confident, that much confident with the way I'm teaching. So here probability 90%. From this one, lead to opportunity. From opportunity to sales quotation, I can create here sales quotation. automatically. So this prospect 37 is creating visual path. Click OK. So sales quotation was created for which item? Whatever the item. Suppose I'm selecting this item. Site and warehouse, unit price, suppose 1175. I'm entering something different price. Now I can send this quotation to customer. Quotation send quotation. So while sending this quotation, we need to enable the checkbox, because in real time scenario you need to take a printout, and you need to take a printout. You can send, say, like hard copy to customer, or you can send email, or whatever the way you want. Okay, that setups are there. We'll discuss this printer setup after some time. Different options are available. So I'm not enabling this one. It will take some time to generate. If you want, you can verify from your systems. That is a print format, simple print format. Once it is sent, this is sent. Now I want to do confirmation, but I cannot. The reason behind, now you have created with the prospect, the sales quotation is created with prospect and sent the quotation with the prospect. Now it should be converted to a customer. It should be converted to a customer. So let me show this one. I'm closing all this prospect opportunity quotation. I'm going to sales quotations. If I look at the sales quotation, one sales quotation was created automatically. Sales quotation is created. Look at this one. One is customer. This earlier quotation, already existing quotation, is another one. Today quotation, it is prospect. Visual path, prospect only. So here this quotation can be created using customer, using prospect. Now I'm going to this quotation. Here I need to convert to customer. So here prospect should be converted to customer. So I am converting. So you need to mention what is the code. If it is automatic number sequence, no need to worry, system will give the number. If you make it manual, the number sequence for the customer account, then you need to mention manually. I'm entering 050. I'm just checking, is it fine or not? The account number is free, it is fine. If I'm entering 101, if I'm checking, the account number is free. Suppose US 001, if I select, it will throw error message, current customer account US 001 already exists. Understood? If I'm trying this one, it is already exists. You cannot do this one because already the same customer account number is already exist. So I'm selecting 050. No issues. You can find. So it is free. Then I'm clicking on this OK. So customer account number US 050 is free. Now it is allowing to create a customer. It is creating a customer automatically. It is creating a customer account automatically from prospect to customer. Sorry, I mean to say prospect is equal to lead here. Okay, so now customer is created. Fine, I'm closing this one. So now confirmation button is enabled. The reason behind, if I close this one, if I refresh, the prospect became a customer. Now I can do confirmation. I can do confirmation. So the reason, it is a simple information only, there is no logic here. So how you got this customer confirmed? Usually price. So the price is the major part, of course, quality also. Once it is confirmed, then automatically one sales order was created in the system. Sales order will be created automatically in the system. So now quotation is it was done. So if you go to general tab, related sales order, it will show the related sales orders. So otherwise I can show from another form, sales and marketing, sales orders. We can see the sales order which is created with the customer US050 visual path, which is just now we have created US050 visual path, the customer account. Okay, automatically it was created 1175. The customer is visual path. Understood? From sales order, you know already, you are already practicing a lot. I think you are practicing. So this is about lead to opportunity. So lead to opportunity, opportunity to sales quotation. So this lead also become a prospect in the system. So let me show this one also. What are the masters? There are leads, opportunities. You can start from anywhere, or prospects. So whatever I have created as a lead, that lead also created as a master as a prospect. Understood? You can create lead. So lead and prospect the same. Otherwise, you can create a prospect. From prospect, you can create a lead to opportunity like this. So these three, lead and prospect and opportunity triangle series. So from opportunity, sales quotation can be created. Otherwise, from lead also you can see prospect to opportunity also you can create. This is a prospect master. Let me show you this one. Give me 1 second. System administration, setup, client performance options. The first to enable, if you enable this one, then it will show the path in the top. I'm sorry, sales and marketing, prospects. So this is prospect. From prospect, you can create lead or opportunity. Otherwise, if you go to leads, lead and prospect are in parallel. So from this one, you can create opportunity, you can create customer. Okay, so lead and prospect are parallel, almost parallel. Otherwise, from lead to from prospect to lead, lead to opportunity. You can create. That is your wish. Slight thin layer between lead and prospect. But from this, you can create opportunity. Otherwise, from lead, you can create sales quotation also. There are multiples. That is depending upon your situations. So please unmute yourself. Is it clear or any more doubts here? If you want me to show, I will show you once again. This is very simple, informative.
Good morning,
Yeah,
Satya.
yeah, good morning.
We can create both of the lead or prospect. Either we can create lead, yeah, prospect.
Anything is fine. It is like in the system, you can create lead or you can create prospect also. So in the lead, so from lead, we have opportunity like a customer and opportunity from lead to. Otherwise, I will show you one more prospect. From prospect, I will create lead. From prospect, lead also available. So I will create prospect first. Suppose brand factory, something I have created. This is prospect. From prospect, I can create lead. It is created. From lead, I can create opportunity. Okay, let me write for projectors, something, the purpose. So from lead, from raw prospect, lead was created. From this, you can create opportunity. In this opportunity, there are extra options like it is the percentage of the probability I can map. Means, so some leads or prospects came to me, I can think like who are going to be become a customers, maybe a chance based on the conversation between you and the sales, like suppose institute guys, they will come back, they will come up with some 20 members may be interested, 15 members are interested for this training, something like this. This is a probability. From probability, sales quotation. So if you want, you can use this as a header level. That is your wish. Like this. Or you can create directly a quotation. You can create directly quotation. You can create directly opportunity. You can create lead, any start, like you can start from here or you can start from here, because whatever you are creating leads, it will create backend prospect. So the leads, whatever I have created, it will create prospect automatically. I mean to say, let me show. Earlier I have started with leads only. If I started creating lead, whatever I have created, this lead is automatically created one prospect in the backend, the earlier step. If you are starting from the lead, automatically backend prospect is creating. Otherwise, you can create prospect, you can create lead, you can create opportunity, sales quotation. Otherwise, you can skip all these things and you can start from here. This is completely marketing process. This is marketing process. Okay. If you want in depth about marketing in detail, then CRM is the another application from Microsoft. So this area in depth, Like if your company is more specific about marketing a lot, then CRM, customer relationship management, is another application. Nowadays they are calling it as, CRM is calling as CE, customer engagement. The application name is CE now. Earlier it is, the name of the product is CRM. In Dynamics AX also, earlier the product name is Dynamics AX, now Dynamics F&O, finance and operations, like that. So in depth, if you want in details about this marketing process, you can use the CRM, customer engagement product from Microsoft. So in that, whatever it is there, little bit a small piece of functions available. Give me 1 second. So in that, small functions available here, marketing, relationships and marketing. Okay, very small function. Like prospects, leads, opportunities, all these are. Contacts means it is whenever you are creating a customer or prospect. Suppose take the example customer. Customer means an organization. Customer means an organization. So for this an organization, there will be so many contacts. What is this contacts means? Here there is contacts. Suppose take the example, you have one customer like Accenture. Accenture is a customer to you. So in this company Accenture, you are going to contact different people, the manager or HR person or system administrator, like that. So those are contacts here. You can add contact, you can view contacts. This is contact, means the person whom you are approaching for your business. So if it is normal sales manager or purchase manager or stores in charge or HR person, okay, like that, person's names will be there. That is here contacts. So those contacts are here in this, in sales and marketing. These are the contacts. Contacts is persons. And prospect, just now we are learning prospect, lead and opportunity. This is more about informative only. This is more about informative only. More details or more contacts. If you have more contacts, you can try for more business. Fine. This lead or prospect, opportunity, and then sales quotation.
Shraddha, can we create contacts also?
Yes, we can
Yeah, only
create.
opportunity.
Yeah, we can create contacts also. So usually from the customer will create contact usually, but you can create like contacts also. But in general, the contacts will be created from the customer account. Okay, so what I mean to say here, the best practice, I'm going to this customer. So suppose take the example US50. Just now we have created one customer. For this, I have a contact, add contact. So the first name is Kiran Mai. Okay, this is regular, and inside if you have some address something, you can fill the address, you can enter the contact information, means mobile number and the email ID, something, employment information, what is the job title and everything, you can map. So this is for customer, like a visual path. For the company visual path, there is a contact inside. So if you want, you can verify that in the contacts. Kiranmay is a one person. Full details. So even some birthday details also will be there sometimes. Marriage day, somewhere, I think not in this area, or all the information like whatever it is there. This is all our informative. More details, office location, function, job title, department. This is more about informative. Okay, I think it is in leads or something. Let me show our prospect. Earlier I would like, because this is as and when it is required, you can verify inside more details. So date opened, closed, so much information. This is self-explanatory only, not complex. I think because I saw somewhere else, like, because this is regularly I don't use. Whenever opportunity, like whenever you got opportunity to work with this feature, you'll use. So in somewhere else I saw it is like you will find some competitors also. So look at this one. Some competitor details also, if you want, you can map. I saw somewhere else like marriage date, because the person's marriage date also it will be filled sometimes. Maybe later it may be deleted or something, I don't know. So this is more about informative, about that persons or something. Let me verify prospects maybe. I think it is in miscellaneous details. No, it is not there actually. Like sometimes it is more informative. As I told you, all are small fields only. It is, there is no logics or something. You can create and you can use the report. So you can use these fields, whatever it is available, everything, and you can generate reports as per your comfort, as per the client requirement. You can generate reports if you want.
Those you created contacts, that one for customer, yeah, for prospect also.
So whenever if I'm creating a lead, automatically prospect will be created. Automatically prospect will be created. Backend. All leads whatever I have created will create a prospect, and a prospect will be converted by clicking one button. That was done by me. Okay.
No, actually, my query is those you created contacts now, so it will go directly for prospect or customer.
No,
And
contact is separate. Contact is separate. It is not linked. These two are not linked. Contacts are informative. Like contacts is for customer and vendor. Only for customer and vendor. This is a
not
subtopic.
for prospect.
No. Prospect is become a customer. Prospect or lead become a customer. Under customer, you are going to attach this contacts.
Okay.
This is person names. Lead or opportunity is company name. This is person name. Got my point? Visual
Yeah.
path is lead or opportunity or prospect. Kiranmay is contact person. So the contacts are persons. These are company names. Prospect or lead opportunity. Okay, fine.
Thank
Any more doubts here?
Yeah, Satya,
Yes, please.
yeah, Rajesh here.
Yeah.
So, let's say that electronic shop is giving quotation to Visual Path for outdoor AC units, okay?
Hmm.
And it wants to indicate that installation and the stand, AC stand will be free. So, how to indicate that in the sales quotation?
Okay. You are talking about items.
Items, yeah, items, but they will be provided at no cost.
So
Supplementary
then,
items.
then it is items only. That is in the like whenever you are creating a sales quotation, you need to create two items. Two items are supplementary item functionalities. I have not explained. I will explain you.
Okay.
So here is quotation items. You are talking
Yeah,
about
but
items.
see, what I want to say is that let's say it's not just the AC that I am quoting in that quotation. Let's say I'm saying 10 items, but
Hmm.
this stand is related to one particular item, AC. Okay, so if they
Hmm.
are not going for AC, then this stand will not be available
Exactly.
free. That is, so I want to associate the free item with a
Yes.
particular item.
Yes. So that is supplementary item.
Okay.
So I will show you supplementary
Okay.
item.
Okay. Thank you.
Supplementary item mapping with normal item, regular item with attaching with supplementary item. Am I right? That is you are asking. Definitely,
Yeah,
it
with a
is.
particular item. Yeah.
Yes. So I will discuss this point a separate topic. Give
Okay,
me
okay.
time to discuss. Yeah, fine. So this is complete sales process. Okay. So most probably
Hello,
tomorrow.
Satya.
Yeah. Yeah.
So probably down the road, I mean, are we going to learn about party ID? So I just want to ask because when you create a customer or vendor, system automatically creates some backend party, right? So
Yeah.
same goes with prospect and lead also. I mean, if we are
Uh,
going to cover this one in future, I mean, future classes, then it's okay.
no. So party ID I will cover tomorrow. Usually I may miss it. This one party ID or global address book. So I will cover this tomorrow because this will be more discussed in finance, but not in T&L. But I will discuss these two points tomorrow. Please remind me, the team. Okay, I will discuss these 2 points. So now I'm giving clarification to you, Ali. Here for prospect or lead, for this there will not be any party ID. There will not be any party ID. Only for customers, party ID will be there. So what is this party ID? What is he is referring? Remaining people you cannot understand. Give me some time. Tomorrow I will discuss that point. But at this point, lead opportunity, these things will not have any party ID, Ali. Only
Okay.
customer and yeah, fine. Okay, these two topics tomorrow I will discuss. Okay. Now let me explain in the same manner sales process what you have learned. Let us understand purchase process. Till now you have learned purchase order process. Now try to understand the complete purchase process in Microsoft Dynamics. The complete purchase process. Purchase requisition. Okay. Only this purchase requisition I need to explain one hour separately. Okay. Next, request for quotation. So please take a new page and write down this once again. Purchase requisition, arrow mark, down arrow. Purchase requisition, down arrow. Request for quotation, RFQ, this is called RFQ, RFQ sent, RFQ reply, RFQ confirm, then purchase order will be created. Remaining process same, receipt list, not much intelligence, registration, product receipt, vendor invoice, vendor payment. This is complete purchase process. Please write down this process. Purchase requisition. From purchase requisition, we can create directly purchase order. Usually, this is the practice. So I mean to say, let me take a diagram so that it can be understandable very easily. The best practice is purchase requisition. Otherwise, RFQ process. I will explain what is this, okay? Then purchase order process. So from here, like this. Otherwise, from here, like this. This is a general process. From RFQ, purchase order process. From RFQ, purchase order process. For purchase, from purchase requisition, it is PO process. Another also available from here to here. But this is available, but very rare scenarios this was used. I'm giving green, not red. Okay, red means it is not possible, green means it is available, but in general this will not be used in best practices. I never used. I mean to say it is not like best practice or something. I never get chance to use this process in general in the implementations, but it is available. So I don't want that much small. I will write down. So this process I have not used, but it is available in the system. So what is this? You are telling purchase requisition, request for quotation, then purchase order process. Of course, purchase order process you are listening from many days, more than almost more than 3 weeks, something. That is fine. But what is this? What is this? Okay, let us understand these two processes. Before this, first understand this RFQ process. So I'm going to explain RFQ process initially, then I'll come here. So we are going to discuss now this RFQ process. Request for quotation. RFQ process means request for quotation. What is this? Suppose if you want to purchase a laptop, you would like to purchase a laptop, then what you will do? So you will go to the electronic shops and you will search for one company, one customer, one shop, and you will purchase directly. Is it correct? I want your participation now. This is, so you are planning to purchase a laptop. So you went to some shops. There are 20 shops are there, electronic shops, and you will select one company, one shop, and you will go and you will purchase this one. Am I right?
Yes, correct.
Is it correct? What you will do?
We'll go to 3 or 4 shops, take the price, and then compare. I mean, their pricing.
Exactly. So you are visiting, you are planning to visit at least 3-4 shops.
Never did that.
All right. So you are planning to visit at least 3-4 shops. Then I want little bit more insights, like what you will do. If you want to purchase a laptop, you will ask like laptop or what exactly? I want little bit insights, please.
Specs, call it. Yeah.
Okay. Means what you will write? Specs means.
The
Classification.
hard disk size, RAM size.
Exactly.
The configuration of the puppet.
Yes. So here you are going to, so first you will go to one shop. What he will do, he will give you a slip, a small slip. Then it will be written like hard disk, memory, processor, keyboard, something, whatever it is there, everything it will be given. Against that one, each one you need to write what exactly you want. RAM, I want 16 GB RAM, 32 GB RAM, or 8 GB RAM. Hard disk, I want 500 GB, or 1 TB, or 2 TB. Processor, I think fifth generation, seventh generation, something. Okay, so like this you are going to fill the information. Then he will give the pricing. Am I right? So the same here, request for quotation means, request for quotation means we are requesting the vendor, about the quotation details. About the quotation details means the price and amount, everything with the, suppose initially request for quotation means it will be created in the system and you are entering all items, whatever items, you are sending this to vendor. Here this is request for quotation. Here creation means you are entering laptop or something, like whatever it may be, how many laptops, what is the configuration, everything you are going to define, like the item details. And here you are sending that laptop, I want so and so laptop. Then reply means he is filling the details, like what is the price, what is the discount, what is the charges, everything will be sent by here. Now sorry, there is one more function in between, RFQ compare. Here you are creating means you are creating in the system details, item details, and you are sending this to your vendor. Here you are sending to multiple vendors.
But those vendors not necessarily be your vendors. I mean, it can be any vendor, or it has to be
So
vendor in a D365.
yes, actually I agree with you. Those are not, may not be vendors, but in the system it is only vendors available. Of course, it is not available for prospect vendors. For prospect vendors, it is not available. But some more is there. We'll discuss. Give me some time. We'll discuss. But
Okay.
see, in the RFQ process, whatever I know, I will explain you. Whatever I don't know, I will explain it theoretically. I mean to say, if you are, until and unless if you are implementing in the implementation side as a vendor, I mean to say, for I will give you more example, like one, limitation in the system like which I don't know. Okay, it is completely different. So give me some time. But currently vendors only. Currently vendors, but more insights I will give you tomorrow. Okay, fine. So here we are entering all the details about the item master, and then we are sending this quotation. I'm see here requesting for quotation. We are asking the vendors, send me the quotation. Send me the quotation. So here we are sending this quotation to multiple vendors. Reply I will receive from multiple vendors, and I will compare with the multiple vendors. Then confirm will be based on, it may be based on the situation, means one vendor or multiple vendors also. What is this multiple vendor? Suppose I would like to purchase 3 items. So I want to purchase one item from one vendor, another item from another vendor also. Yes, it is possible. It should not be like I need to purchase all the items from one vendor only in this RFQ. I can have multiple options. So I will show you this one tomorrow, what it is exactly. Okay, it may not be consistent. So I mean to say one more, as I told you, one more function, it is like online. In 2012, let me explain the difference between 2012 and D365. The 2012 version, 2012 AX 2012 6.0, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3, all versions. Okay, so please remember the version numbers also: 6.0, 6.1, 6.2, 6.3. I asked one question like to one of my junior person, whether you have worked in AX 2012 R3 or R4. I worked in R4. There is no R4 at all, so he don't know the version numbers also. Please, my student should not be answer like this. Okay, 6.3 only. This is RTM. This is R1. This is R2. This is R3. Okay, there is no R4. Don't answer like I worked in R4 also something. These are the versions only, the old versions. Now in D365, it is 10.0 is running. Version 10.0. So earlier there are versions 7.0, 7.1, 7.2, 7.3, 8.0, 8.1. I hope everyone know about these versions. These are already scrapped, means Microsoft support closed, and everyone should be migrated to 10.0 version. This is web-based application. This is a desktop application. However, in this, if you want some features, there is one function called enterprise portal. Is web-based application. Okay, suppose you are implementing, for example, like some Rama Electronics is a vendor, is a client. For that Rama Electronics, you are implementing this product. So the company name is Rama Electronics. Instead of USMF, we know like the company name is USMF. Take the example, Rama Electronics is a enterprise port, like like one shop you are implementing for this company, some Rama Electronics. Now this Rama Electronics has multiple vendors. One vendor is, suppose John Electronics is the vendor, or John Automobiles or John Electronics something. So John Electronics is participating in this also. You have sent this quotation to RFQ to John Electronics. Okay, then they can send this person, these people can access your system through enterprise portal. Means Rama Electronics has provided some access to this John Electronics through enterprise portal that is available. That means it is through online. That is through online it is available. Okay, so what is this function and insights about this enterprise portal? Now this enterprise portal was not required because this is completely like web-based application. So what is this web-based application also I will show you tomorrow. I mean to say this enterprise portal, whatever it is there, that feature it is not required, but it is available in the system. So some small function which is differently accessed, I will show you tomorrow. But let me focus tomorrow about this RFQ process. So currently, I think Ali or someone asked me, this RFQ process, it is available for vendors only, but not prospect vendors. Just I will show this where it is available. Tomorrow we'll continue. Today everything is in air. Whatever I have explained, I know it is simple only, but all request for quotations. Tomorrow you can understand in depth. Okay, today I have introduced the topic. In this RFQ process, you can have multiple vendors. Downside, you will have, one second. So you can have vendors, multiple vendors you can create. So in this, prospect is not available, of course, vendor only. Okay, that means complete vendor only. But I think earlier Rajesh, someone asked me, yes, prospects people also can participate or can attend, but at this point we don't have that function. Okay, so tomorrow I will explain you in detail little bit more insights about this RFQ process. Then you can understand. Today I have introduced, it may not be completely understanding by every person. I can understand your point of view. I will explain in detail RFQ process tomorrow. Okay, I'm stopping here. We'll continue once again tomorrow morning 6 a.m. IST. Then please remind me. I will discuss these 2 points also, most probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay, these 2 points. Fine. See you. Bye.